All right, good morning. It is Wednesday, September 20th. It is 9:29 a.m., so we need to get this going. It is FOMC. Please be careful today approaching the markets.
Hey everyone,
I'm going to get here on TikTok as well. I'm really excited for these. I have my glasses on today. They're super glary. For my new fun prize today. All right, we are pulling back. I love it. We talked about this on the student call today, so if my students were listening and paying attention, they are going to know what to do in these situations, whereas people that are not a student, they may have no idea what they're actually looking at and be quite confused. Good morning, good morning. Happy Wednesday, happy FOMC. Gold is running up. I have a few setups running today. Everything for me is on simulation because it is FOMC and I want to make sure. Mike, can you share the link in the group, please, in the chat? I want to make sure that I am approaching, hey, Lewis. I'm approaching the markets appropriately, so no run for me today. Let's go. Thank you, Mike. Look at this. Where are my students? Look at that. Dude, most people in this instance would be like freaking out. We are not. I really actually want to take this.
Order filled.
I want to see. Actually, I'm going to move this. I got in a little late. Zoop, zoop, zoop. Zoopy, zoopy, zoop.
Stop filled.
All right, got a little bit of that. Ooh, I got out too early. You see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Where are my students at? Where are my students at? That's what I want to know, because this is the exact play we talked about. The exact play we talked about. Mentorship is a one-time fee of $1,200. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you, Jen. This is our proprietary chop zone. That's my moving average. We came down. We bounced. For in a minute, it will probably be 25 points. But for right now, it's like 15 points. It's only 9:33. Please give a thumbs up as you come in YouTube. Again, I am not running anything besides like maybe a little trade here or there live today. All right, cool. But I do have all the algos on, so we'll see what happens. We'll have some fun. Hey, Big Rod. Nice job, Michael. Almost 20 points up there at 92, I just saw. Also, remember, if your eyes are bad and old like me, and my eyes actually aren't bad, so I shouldn't talk about them in that kind of way. But you can always open this order ticket. Like, I guess this is meant for trading from, but I use it just to have big numbers in my face. So we're back up at 92, 95. So that's 20 points right there from the bounce, which is what I teach my students. I gave you 20 points from that bounce. I only caught like 3 points, 4 points, something like that. I put my trail way too close. Yesterday, our play didn't play out until like 2:40, 2:30 in the afternoon, something like that. But today it played out right away, which was nice. Jen, which account are you on? Oh, just Jen. See if you can push the arrow button and just share it with all the people, like all the little pictures that come up that says send to. Try to do that to share the live within TikTok. But if you were on one of the other ones, then it would go to, I guess, more of like the
order
people.
submitted.
Like you might have people, obviously, that are just like your friends or whatever. But I just did it too. All right. Oh, I don't know which one this is. Range ES. ES on range is in a short. Oh, NQ. It's NQ. Not ES. Well, I guess ES is too. Sorry, ES and NQ. And look at that. Do you see? Do you see why we don't run the algo on FOMC? Well, it's only read like $200, but this is also in confluence to the student play. Oh, I need to put my little box up. A little box. Good morning, good morning. If you're new here, my name's Lauren. We go live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. This is now 25 points from the bounce of the chop zone. Where are my students at? I need my students to be putting the pineapple, I don't know, the little student emoji in there, because this was the exact play from the student call. Did anybody get this? Why is it so quiet in the student chat? It's so quiet. Now 30 points. Now a 30-point move up. And the algos are all in red trades because it's FOMC. And we're not live. I'm not live trading any of the algos today. We went to 405 here. We could move back down after that. We'll have to see. See if you go back up to 410. 410 is like a strong area of resistance. If you want more info on the algorithm or the mentorship, feel free to email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com.
Order filled.
Let's see if we pull back to 94. I should probably put this off on this one and just have it on the other one. The move back up isn't ready yet. I'm going to get stopped here.
Stop filled.
Ooh, going against. No, I saw it, but I didn't jump on it yet. Still stalking. That was the exact play we were looking for. 30 points on the long. I was talking to one of my students last night, and the biggest thing is hesitation. Back to 410. So 35 points now on this long. All you had to do was take the long at the chop zone, which is what we talked about on the student call. It went exactly to the chop zone, and now it's run up 35 points. Almost 40 points now. The biggest thing that I noticed with my students is, and I was trying to catch that short, but I probably should have waited for 410, is the execution is like being afraid to get in the trade. They'll take
Order
too long.
submitted.
They'll take too long to
Target filled.
They'll take too long to get in the trade. I think that was RTY. They'll take too long to get in the trade, and then once they, and then so they don't get in the trade, and then it's here. And then they're like nervous, and then they get in, and then they get stopped or whatever. But this was a great run from 75 to 410. 35, 40 points. Good morning. There seems to be no audio on YouTube. No, maybe just go out and go back in. Please hit the thumbs up. There are 18 of you in YouTube and only 7 likes. All you have to do is...
Order submitted.
All you have to do... And I should turn this down. All you have to do is hit that... Minimize the chat and then hit that thumbs up. That's all I ask. Once a stream, hit that thumbs up. Nice job. Look at this. We are now green. 45 points. Almost 50 points. 50 points here on the student call. This 50 points. Look how I hit that line.
Order filled.
Take this back down to 400. 50 points on that student play. This is probably the easiest one. And yesterday everyone was complaining because the play didn't come until like 2 in the afternoon. But now today the play came right at 9:30 and folks still didn't take it. I understand it is FOMC, so that's one thing, but I even want them to take it in simulation just to practice because I think that's important. So yeah. I wonder if just beasting. 45, 50 points. Try to go out and go back in, Harold. I'm trying to see if we're going to get any type of pullback here. There we go, under 17.
Order submitted.
Seems to be an issue with that particular device. Oh, interesting. I don't wonder why. Like your device? Well, no.
Order canceled.
Still running up. And this is exactly what did it say? Do as I do and not as I say. And do we see the ES trade on range is red? The NQ early trade is red. Thank you. Jason got it. Finally, Jason got the call. Um, 50 points on this long. I think it even went up to like 60. Yeah, your device. Understood. Yeah, do what I say, not what I do, because I'm trying to take this short, honestly.
Order
do
filled.
I think it's ready?
Target filled.
I see, and I tried to pull that down and I didn't
Order
get it.
filled. Target filled. Order filled.
I want to back down to like 400.
Order submitted.
And of course that time I pushed 2 by mistake. I have this one setup that's like really, really fast. It's like scalping, like $65, $100, whatever. Because you can get those, if you understand NQ, you can get those really easily. Like right there was just like at 155, but I had moved my target down. So I didn't get it. But we'll see. We'll see if we can move down a bit more here. My target is at 401. 406 and 401. Gold is beasting, okay? Gold is like running amok. Didn't realize I had the other profile open. Oh, nice. Santa took the short, green, $409. Nice. Yeah, so use that one to share, Jen, to share the stream. That is helpful. I might even put this one like super low, like all the way back down.
Order submitted. Target filled.
Yes, Jen. What was that, RTY again? RTY has been the only one. Yep, RTY is 2 for 2, but ES is still in a short, super red. NQ early is still in a short, super red. So we'll see if the market wants to come back down here. It doesn't look like it does. And gold is freaking beasting. Like, it's insane. I wonder why. Is it outside of the time frame? I was going to say, I wonder why he hasn't gotten in a trade over here. I'm trying to see if NQ can get caught at this 25 and come back down, but it's definitely on a run here. Look at this gold. Look at this gold run. It's insane. From 1954, it's at like 63. See if we can get back under 17 on NQ. And
Target filled.
8. What was that, RTY again? No. RTY is 2 for 2. ES and NQ, again, all of that's on sim, so, because today is FOMC, so. But I definitely caught myself way too early on the long. Like, I got myself out way too early, and then I was trying to catch the reversal, and that didn't work out. Like, even here, it's not going to work out. It's got to get under 17 if it wants to go back down on NQ. Look at that wick. Look at that baby wick. All right, what's everyone up to today? Oh, good. Jason's out audio working. Great, thanks. I'm going to get stopped here on this continued short, which was green like 200 right away, and then I messed it up. And then I just tried to get in the way there. ES on range is red. NQ on range is red, again, which is why we don't trade FOMC, but I clearly did not take the full play that I should have. Nice job. Nice job. But I'm going to be running Scalper. I'm going to be running Santa later today. I'm not running it now. I'm going to run it later today after FOMC because that's all I really care about. And I bought some Apex accounts just for that. Oh, it's 25 plus 30. Today's gonna be boring. Well, this was a really nice move as far as the student play goes. And then RTY, isn't RTY only Thursdays or only Wednesdays? Yeah, Thursdays. But RTY did well here, and it was 2 for 2. Again, I'm not running that live, so yeah, that's funny, Jen. Good job, Bill.
Order
We're back
filled.
under 17. I don't want this 50. I want it like all the way back. I'm probably going to shoot myself in the foot again. Santa's in a trade. We need a stop. But again, Dan, I mentioned this before. I'm not running Santa now. That's the whole thing. I'm only running Santa during FOMC and after FOMC. And I feel like y'all don't listen because I literally put the exact times in the chat last night. Because Santa doesn't do well in the morning of FOMC because, again, no one's trading and nothing's happening. Santa does well during and after Powell. Yay, and yeah, they said they were working around the clock this week to process everyone's payment from the last like week or two. So it should be something that gets taken care of this week, which I'm really excited for. Other people in the payout thread were talking about that as well. So hopefully, it is a thing, obviously. Yeah, it should be. They just had to transition. They think about it. They have all these people trading with them and all these people that process the payout with deal, and then all of a sudden like they can't use that company anymore. So obviously like, that could take a business a little while to get everything done. But it seems like they are really trying to do everything they can to get it done as soon as possible. Deal couldn't hold that weight. Yeah, supposedly there was like some really weird stuff going on with deal. I don't know. I don't know how true it is. I saw an article that I was like, what? So, but anyway, they found a new one. They're spending the whole week processing people's payments. Bot trade futures or only stocks and options. Okay, Farah, you were on the live stream yesterday, and I asked you to email me. I said it. I responded to you like 10 times. These are only futures, but my bot can also trade stocks. I do not trade options. Options are the worst thing ever. In my opinion, they're not for me. But we got to break this 410. And you were in Jen's live stream all yesterday afternoon, and I kept responding to you, but I feel like you were just like ignoring what I was saying. Just email us for more information if you want more info on the bot. My Forex funds cause all these challenges with deal, apparently. Oh, that's who it was? Yeah, I don't know. I heard it was like some crazy drama. I want to get back below 10 here. So I am trading futures on the futures market. So I'm trading the NASDAQ, gold, oil, the S&P 500, the Dow, the Russell, all of that. I'm going to shoot myself in the foot again. Yeah, I've never heard of them probably because I'm not in the Forex space, but it is interesting. I really want this move back down. Just go back to the central. It's just holding from that 410. I wonder if I put it back to...
Order filled.
Sorry, I was working also when I was asking the question at the same time you're trying to listen to you. Yeah, so Jen was live yesterday afternoon. I'm live in the morning. So I'm live every day 9:30 to 10:30. Jen is live every day 2 to 3 p.m. The best thing to do is just email us. We send you, obviously, a no obligation email of just information of what we do here. You can use a cash account. You can use a prop firm like Lilu or Apex or Take Profit Trader or whatever company you like, and then you can utilize it with the algorithms. Look at all my students posting in results. I clearly need to listen to myself here and stop trying to take this short. That's not
Order
playing out.
filled.
Yes, thank you, Jen. We are live every day, Monday through Friday, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. This gold run was money. I'm surprised it's not in a trade there. All right, I need to bloop some people because they are posting their amazing trades from the student call, which was get long here. Literally, this was all it was get long here. And if you did that, you're up 60 points. That's $1,200 per mini. And if you trailed closely and you only made a few $100s, well, that's great too. A few $100 is huge day after day. Hey. Hey, Saeed. I hope you're having a good day. Thanks for following. We go live every day, Monday through Friday. Today is FOMC, so the action is a little slower and a little less exciting. The interest rate decision comes out at 2 o'clock, and then Powell will be speaking at 2:30. I am going to run Santa Scalper later today. As mentioned to my students, I will be doing that. But this is typical action for FOMC. We got a bit of a move, and now it's just probably going to be shit until 2 o'clock. So it's better to take that student call and then go have a great day. I'm not running any of the algorithms live today for this exact reason. Yeah, I'm calling today on the way to the gym. Nice. Apex and Ninja Trader don't offer services in my country. I'm leaving this country for this cost. Yeah, you need to. That's bogus. Bogus. Because they do offer it to most countries. Like, Ninja Trader is even open to folks in India now. And that used to be, like, super taboo. Like, they, I guess, whatever. But if you have a cash account, you can have a cash account.
Order filled.
With Ninja Trader. YM took out that loss on Chop. And this is exactly why we don't run them on FOMC. Yay! I'm so proud of you. I am so proud of you. It feels good. It feels good to see that you listen and that things are as they should be. I wonder how many times I'm going to be stubborn in this. But it's 9:58. I might wrap it up here a little early.
Order filled.
And this was the short I wanted the whole time, under 410. Really under 417, but then the break of 410. I want to go all the way back to the chop zone. That's what I want. But price is just being held because they know they're going to drop it later. I was chilling till Santa time. Yeah, and again, I'm not running Santa until this afternoon. I'm not running it until 2:45, 3 o'clock, honestly. So, all right, I'm probably going to wrap it up here. I feel like there's not much to kind of show since it's FOMC and I'm not even running the algos live today. It's the only day that I don't run them live is FOMC. There's no point. Good job, Brian. Oops, I was trying to put the little student thing. There it is. All right, I hope you guys have a great day. Yeah, probably. But it's red. Everything's red. That's why I'm not running anything today. ES Chop is red. NQ Early's red. NQ... Yeah, YM Chop was red. So, all right. Have a great day. Thanks for joining. And Jen will be live at 2 o'clock. I don't, Jen, are you just doing 2 to 3? Or are you doing like 2:30 to 3:30? Anything different with FOMC? Let me know.
Order filled.
Just so we can tell people. But no, this is the best part is because we're not even running it today on the win rate. Oh, but ES night is still 100%. ES night actually hit last night, and so did NQ night. But it doesn't mess with the winning percentage because the winning percentage includes a little bit of losses. See? Well, okay, we don't need to post it in Sim because it was in Sim. Like, who even cares? AP, this is exactly why we don't run it. Anthony. But there's that 1 or 2%, and if we are not trading on FOMC, and that's the 1 or 2%, that's even better. That is even better. So my thing's moving down. Oh, you guys, I didn't even get to show you my new toy.
Stop, Phil.
Oh, I turned it off. Hold on. Dude, can you see it? Is it too dark? I posted it in the chat last night. I already did. Good job listening. Nice. Design work, yes. Planting papers and walls, but there's only so much you can do. The lawn maintenance part is the worst, and you need to keep it to keep the consistency. Oh, okay. Got it. All right, I'm going to wrap it up. Have a great day. Spend a lot of time with Spencer's. It was actually called Amazon. Student call played out, per usual. Yes. Laura, go take a wrap-up video for your people, because... Oh. All right, my account approves in 9 days. Listen, I'm running a bunch of Apex accounts today just on Scalper this afternoon. Last time, there was earnings, so I forgot about that, but in that 1 hour from like 3 to 4, easily made like $1,500 or something like that, so... All right, y'all. Have a good day. Jen will be live this afternoon, probably 2 to 3, but maybe she'll stay until 3:30, and I actually get to see. Obviously, she has a very busy schedule. So, thanks for joining. If you're a student, I really hope you got this long because it's the exact play we talked about on the morning call. And if you're not a student already, you really need to join because it just elevates your trading to a whole new level. All right. Bye, guys. Have a good day. If you want more information, email me as always, BoldBot. LLC@gmail.com. BoldBot LLC@gmail.com. All right. Bye. Oops. Bye. Bye, YouTube.